Hey there! Today, I'm going to share 3 powerful ways to boost your conversion rate. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Tip number 1, optimize your website's loading speed. Did you know that a slow-loading website can turn away potential customers? Nobody likes waiting, right? So, make sure your website loads lightning fast to keep visitors engaged and interested. Which brings us to tip number 2, create a compelling landing page. Your landing page is like a virtual storefront, so make it captivating. Use eye-catching visuals, persuasive copy, and a clear call to action. Give your visitors a reason to stay and convert. Finally, tip number 3, leverage the power of social media. Be where your audience is, engaging and interacting with them. Create irresistible content, share success stories, and encourage user-generated content. Remember, a strong social media presence can build trust and boost conversions. And there you have it, folks. 3 effective ways to boost your conversion rate. Optimize your loading speed, create a compelling landing page, and embrace the power of social media. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your conversions soar. Sarah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Check the bio.